y'all for tuning in. I'm back with the whole Jason trilogy. Basically what I've been doing is I got part 1 all the way through part 9 done, and then there's another video that came up that I did Jason X. First one, when Jason was basically, he had the hockey mask on, but it had the flatter nose on it. Kind of like one of these guys, but more flat-nosed. Made him a little 3D printer here, this noisy thing. And what else I did was, I was looking around and I was like, well, I kind of got to find the Jason X 3D version, more of the futuristic metal one. And I started looking online. I was like, man, I can't find that thing anywhere. When I found it, it was kind of pricey. More than what I want to spend just to hang on the wall. And so, got my 3D printer here, and I printed this bad boy out. Isn't that nice? It's about 5 hours. Costs about $3. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paint this guy up to match the replica from Jason X movie. And we'll go ahead and hang it on the wall next to the other one. So, let's go ahead and get to it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and sand this guy down, because it don't really need any scratches or nothing. And I'm going to go outside and I'm going to hit it with this primer. It's just a flat gray primer. Then I got me some chrome. I don't know, it's kind of a chromish grayish color. I'm going to go with chrome, and then I'm going to put some black accents on it to make it cool. So I'm going to see what it looks like. We're going to go with that. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with this so we can go ahead and let it dry and get back to the video. See you in a bit. Alright guys, there it is. 3D printed it all out. That thing came out really nice for being 3D printed. Never would have thought I could 3D print something like this. Like I said, I was looking for one online. They were getting kind of pricey just to buy. And I was like, well, I got a 3D printer, started looking at files, and there she was. Actually turned out almost identical to the one in the movie, so. A little chrome paint, clear coat, some black in there. And like I said, it's not my favorite Jason flick, but it's part of the series, so I went ahead and I'm going to throw these on the wall. So if you wanted to see my other videos, I got all the way up to this one as far as making all the masks. So subscribe or check out my channel. If you're interested in maybe making some of these yourself, seeing how we do them. Got a lot of dudes on here making them, some really nice ones. And I just figured I'd start my collection myself. Put it in my little haunted theater out there, so. There it is. Go ahead and hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. I mean, of course it's just the Jason X mask, but not too shabby. So, we'll see y'all on the next one. I'm out of here.